We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're taking a look at this Dell S2815 printer. And what the problem we're having is whenever we're scanning or making copies, we're getting lines and blemishes on the pages, which is going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So the first thing we're going to do is open the top of the scanner. And you'll notice there's actually two separate pieces of glass. You have your large flatbed scanner. You have a small piece of glass on the left side of the printer. That small piece of glass on the left side is actually for when you're using this top document feeder. So if you're noticing most of your problems as far as blemishes and lines happening when you're scanning or copying from this top document feeder, then you're really going to want to focus on the small piece of glass on the left. Otherwise, if you're noticing when you're doing face down copies on this larger piece of glass, then that's where you're going to want to focus your cleaning. To clean it, you're going to need a lint-free cloth. Your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner available, you can use rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. The biggest tip I can give you is please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply your cleaner directly to the glass. If you do, you run a high chance of the cleaner actually seeping underneath the glass, and you can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. And then we're going to start on the small piece of glass on the left side of the printer. And you can just try to get anything that might be on the glass off. It's pretty common to find ink, whiteout, tape, things like that. So you just want to give it a good wipe down. If you do find something that's a little more stubborn, you might have to work over it a little bit more just to get it off. Once you're happy with the way that one looks, then we'll go ahead and move over to the flatbed scanner. And they're highly prone to a lot of fingerprints and dust, things like that. Just, again, give it a good wipe down until you're happy with the way everything looks. Make sure you give everything a visual inspection afterwards so that you don't see anything that's remaining on the glass. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, I would recommend doing a couple test copies or test scans. And I would actually try both pieces of glass. I'd run some copies through the top document feeder and off the flatbed scanner, making sure all your blemishes went away. Once you're happy with all your results, you're good to go. If you're still getting slight blemishes, then it's probably just something on the glass that's hard to see. Just go ahead and clean it one more time. You should be good to go. Other than that, you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.